Welcome. Today, I will share a short overview on the value chain concept. The idea behind the value chain was to see a manufacturing or service organization made up of functions and processes that work together in order to create value for its customers. Value chain idea was developed by Michael Porter in 1985. Porter framed this idea in order for the companies to use and assess the activities that are carried out within their functions. The companies can then assess how these functions and activities are connected to each other, and how these can derive total value for its customers. The generic value chain concept suggests the following activities: inputs or inbound logistics, the raw materials and all the processes helping in the internal receiving, storing, transporting, and distribution activities. Operations, the functions and activities such as product management, manufacturing and engineering. Other support functions that use the inputs and transform to outputs. Outputs or outbound logistics, the activities which help to store, ship, deliver to the customers. Sales, marketing and the service functions, the activities used for customer relationship management, customer sales and maintaining the demand and value. Support functions, these include sourcing and procurement, human resources, finance, IT, legal services, infrastructure and technology innovation centers. A typical manufacturing value chain functions and activities along with some of the key drivers are depicted in this figure. These functions and activities usually include the following: product, R&D, engineering, planning, sourcing and procurement, manufacturing, sales, marketing, and delivery. After sales, horizontal functions as an example. When we look at the sourcing and procurement function within the value chain, the activities performed within the process helps in finding the best fit suppliers, negotiate pricing, terms and conditions, perform activities that relate to buyer-supplier relationships and collaboration, and manage operational efficiencies, cost savings, that finally led to profitability and contribution to net income. Purchase orders and received orders with the goods received notes. GRN can be used in the production plan and scheduling activities. Measuring supplier or vendor performance by means of key drivers such as the PO delivery time, number of perfect orders, lead time performance and more can be used by upstream procurement to source and contract better. It can be used by the finance and supply chain department to measure cost avoidance and plan demand-supply balancing respectively. Thank you for seeing this quick video. Subscribe or contact me using contact page on my website to know more.